We'll discuss about the ENIAC, electronic numeric indicator and computer. The first general purpose electronic digital computer is ENIAC and invented by John Moseley and Presper Eckert, and it could add two numbers in 200 microseconds. Two large numbers. It can add two large number in 200 microseconds. Then UNIVAC Universal Automatic Computer. It's the first commercial available computer designed by J. Presper and John Moseley in 1950. And first computer to handle numeric and text data. Now, generation of the computer. There are 5: second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. In first generation, period is 1942 and 256. Vacuum tube as the main component used in this generation, and data input is punch card and tapes. Data output is printout. External storage is magnetic tapes. Language, machine assembly language. Example: UNIVAC, ENIAC, ADVAC. These are the example of first generation. Then come to second generation, period is 1956 to 63, and transistor as the main component used in this generation. Data input same, punch card and paper tape. Data output printouts. External storage same, magnetic tape. Language photon COBOL. Examples are IBM 1400 and 700 series, IBM 350, and in both the generation consume lot of electricity, and they are very costly. They are very costly and consume lot of electricity also. In third generation computer, integrated circuit IC 1964 and 71. They use integrated circuits, and data input is keyboard, data output is monitor, which is magnetic disk. Language teaching. An example: IBM 360, Apple I. And in fourth generation, period is 1972 present. Microprocessor is a basic component used in this generation, and keyboard, mouse, scanner, monitor, printers, speakers, magnetic with high capacity. This generation C++ is the language. An example is Crayon. And generation 5, in fifth generation and beyond, they use artificial intelligence, optical fiber technology to handle artificial intelligence, capacity to think, reason, understand human speech, recognize patterns, complex images. The types of computer: there are three types of computer: analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. And digital computer is classified into four computers, that is supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and microcomputer. So first we will discuss about the supercomputer. Supercomputer is high level of performance, most powerful computer used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. For example, Crayon, Param A10, etc. are the example of supercomputer. Then come to mainframe computer. Mainframe computer store large amount of data and used in large business areas, scientific laboratories, airlines, railway booking tickets. And mini computer bigger than the microcomputer, higher processing speed, costlier than microcomputers. PDP-8 used in bank, universities, and big organization. Then come to the microcomputer. IBM PC, usually designed for personal use, used in homes, school, offices, shop, bank, etc. Laptop. tablet. These are the example of microcomputers. So there are three types of computers are there: analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. And the digital computer classify into four computers: supercomputer, main computer, mini computer, microcomputers. And there are 5 generation of the computer: the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and 5 generation. And early IT inventors are Charles Babbage, Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace, George Boole, Dr. Herman Hollerith, John von Neumann, Howard Aiken. And early calculating devices are abacus, Pascaline, that is machine, Leibniz calculator. So student, if you have a book with you, you can read this chapter. Important point that I have already discussed with you. And if you wish to write these notes in your rough copy, you can write down. And in your fair copy, if you have the fair copy, you can three early calculating device, three early IT inventors, and paste, or you can draw the different type of computers. And if you don't have the fair copy with you, you can do it in the rough copy also. And after this, I will dictate you the exercises, question answer. So don't worry, stay home. Till then, take care. Bye bye.